Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about how GPUs are about to change forever. So I'm going to break it down in this story. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you. So the Agility SDK 1.613 comes with the Shatter Module 6.8 and Work Graph support. The latter is an important feature that will promote the use of GPU driver rendering, offloading the tasks from the CPU. The GPUs will be able to generate work for themselves on the fly. This idea was promoted by Epic developers who have been advocating for a way that enables GPU to perform more tasks on its own. Or on their own rather. To put it very simply, currently the final image to be rendered, some work is done by the CPU and some by the GPUs, but sometimes the CPU spends too much time deciding what the GPU should do next. Work Graphs is a system that helps the CPU and GPU work together more efficiently. They allow the CPU to plan ahead and organize tasks for the GPU. Instead of waiting for each block, the CPU can provide a list of things to do in advance, so the GPU does not have to wait for another task to be submitted. The CPUs and GPUs working together can manage memory faster, keep things organized, and allow complex tasks to be done smoothly. The updated Shatter module, the 6.8, also brings new features as well, such as start vertex / instance location, allowing these shatters to parameters from the API call. This can be useful for custom address calculations independent of fixed function data. Additionally, there are wave size range feature which allows developers to determine the preferred size of the wave in shatters. It may help in reduction of required shatter or even eliminate for multiple shatters to be used. Finally, there is an expanded comparison sampling which should enable better cross-platform shaders. The new feature called GPU upload heaps enable a fast way to copy data from the CPU to the GPU. This eliminates the need for a PCI bus to transfer data from the VRAM to the CPU. This feature utilizes resizable bar, which allows the CPU to write data from the VRAM with low latency. You can start using the SDK with help from AMD and NVIDIA, who launched the Day Zero drivers for the new SDK. Work Graphs are supported by NVIDIA Ampere and ADA GPUs with drivers 551.76 or newer. AMD is only confirming that Work Graphs on the RDNA3 architecture RX 7000 GPUs for now. Intel has not been released on any of the other drivers. Okay, so now let's talk about how older NVIDIA GPUs could get faster frame rates with the official tweak. However, it is not recommended. NVIDIA GTX 16 and RTX 20 series GPUs can get a bit of a performance boost thanks to a new mod that brings the resizable bar or rebar feature to these graphic cards. So let's talk about a quick refresher. Rebar first came to light at turn of a decade as AMD's Smart Access Memory feature, which tweaks PCIe's resizable bar to lift certain limitations on the memory front to boost performance by a decent chunk in some games. Now we'll get back to that. NVIDIA and Intel adopted Rebar 2, but in the case of Team Green, support was only offered with RTX 3000 graphics, with the previous gen products at the time left out in the cold. So that is what happened with that one. Okay, that's what happened with that one. So the task of patching the motherboard in this way has risk, and if something goes wrong, they could, have really bad news for your PC. We're talking about breaking the thing territory, with this being an unofficial fudge for Rebar support. We really would not be recommending this unless you are very tech savvy and confident in what you're doing. You might get in touch with more certain games, but it'll be like lottery, you might see no improvement whatsoever. So there is a risk there. That's what I have for you in this video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. The goal this year for this channel is 10,000 subscribers. Please help me reach that. I also want to thank you for allowing me to hit 1,000 subscribers last year. That was the goal. But please help me reach 10,000 subscribers this year. Please hit that like. And if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate your viewership. See you in the next video.